Hello guys, good morning. Okay, let me open the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of us still in good condition and still safe. Yeah. Okay, for this nice occasion, actually, we would like to discuss and learn about the cause and effect. Yeah. And with me, Miss Nela Midiorita, we will study together. Let us say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, next. This is our goals. Why we have to study about this? Okay, first, students are able first can differentiate which one cause and which one effect. Jadi bisa bedakan mana yang cause sebab, mana yang akibat. The second is the student can using the connector for cause-effect sentences, especially for because of, due to, and thanks to. Okay, I hope all of you after watching this video, you already understand about this. Okay, continue. What is definition first? Cause happen first, or reason for an action. Jadi alasan sesuatu itu terjadi. The reason why something happens. Jadi sesuatu itu terjadi. Kenapa? Ya, in Indonesia call sebab. Kenapa itu bisa terjadi? Sebab. And effect is happen after cause. Ya, dia terjadi setelah sebab. Tell us what happened. Apanya? Kalau tadi sebab itu mengapa, why, but kalau effect apa yang terjadi, and the result of action what happened. Jadi sesuatu konsekuensi atau akibat dari adanya kejadian tersebut. Okay, can you get a point? Okay, continue then. Next about the clue of cause effect. Yeah, actually the sentence of cause effect using connector. Jadi ada kata penghubung di dalam kalimat cause effect gitu. What kind of connector then? Continue to the next. Okay, see first, this is type of cause effect. Actually, cause effect divided become two types. First, cause effect plus noun, kata benda. And the second is cause effect plus verb or clause. Clause itu terdiri dari subject and verb. Ya. Konektornya apa aja? Due to for cause effect plus noun, owing to, because of, as a result of, as consequence of. And cause effect plus verb atau kata kerja or clause yang terdiri dari subject dan verb. Konektornya adalah because, since, for, therefore, consequently, as a result. Okay, continue then. Ya, this is the formulation 1, cause effect plus noun. Ya, ini ada polanya, connector first, plus cause berupa kata benda, baru effect-nya. Don't forget to add comma, ya, after cause, comma, and effect. So, connectornya adalah due to, owing to, because of, as a result of, or as consequence of. This is the example. Due to the storm, we can't go to the beach. Ya, due to di sini adalah connectornya. The storm adalah kata benda. Dikarenakan cuaca, kita tidak bisa pergi ke pantai. Okay, the next is owing to. Owing to her kindness, Mia give her a gift. Nah, her kindness di sini adalah kata benda ya. Jadinya di sini noun phrase ya. Kindness, her kindness. Karenakan kebaikannya, Mia memberikan dia sebuah hadiah. And then because of. Ini adalah konektornya. Because of this cooking, I am able to cook my own meal. Ya. Dikarenakan masakan ini, saya mampu memasak makanan saya sendiri. Jadi, this cooking ini adalah kata bendanya. Okay, get it? Continue then. cause, effect, plus noun in the formulation 2. Nah, yang pertama adalah effect dulu, connector, baru cause. And cause ini tetap kata benda. C, I got sick. Ini adalah efeknya. Akibatnya, dia sakit. Due to the cold weather. Ya, saya sakit dikarenakan cuaca yang dingin. Oke. Cuaca yang dingin, the cold weather, kita anggap ini kata benda, ya, atau noun phrase. The next, the car was broken as a result of her recklessness. Jadi mobil itu rusak, ya, dikarenakan kesembronoannya. Jadi her recklessness di sini adalah jadi kata benda. Ya. Next, she was late. Nah, ini adalah efeknya ya. Because of konektornya her bad sleeping habit. Nah, ini adalah penyebabnya berupa kata benda her bad sleeping habit. Ini noun phrase ya. Dia telat dikarenakan kebiasaan tidurnya yang buruk. Oke. Ya. This cause and effect plus verb. Tadi yang noun ya. Konektornya itu adalah because, since, for, therefore, consequently, as a result. Ya, polanya bisa di awal, bisa juga di tengah. Oke, let's see the example. Because her brother lives in Jakarta, she must visit him every month. Karena adiknya tinggal di Jakarta, oke, because she, ada kata her brother lives in Jakarta. Di sini adalah kata clause, her brother, subjek, lives kata kerja. Jadi setelah because plus verb, ya. Next, this bag is expensive since the famous brand Chanel made it. Nah, tas ini mahal karena merek Chanel yang terkenal itu yang membuatnya. Okay. Next, they haven't turned 17 yet. As a result, they cannot join the international seminar. Nah, mereka belum umur 17 tahun. Oleh karena itu mereka, atau bisa juga diakibatkan mereka tidak bisa mengikuti seminar internasional. Oke, quite different ya antara cause effect plus noun or cause effect plus verb. Okay, the other example of cause plus effect and plus verb, this is it rained, therefore the tree was wet. Jadi it rained, ya, ini hujan, oleh karena itu pohon-pohon basah. Oke, mana kata kerja setelah therefore-nya ini? The tree is subject, was wet adalah verb-nya. Oke, I wake up late. Consequently, I am late. Ya, saya bangun telat. Konsekuensinya saya terlambat. Nah, di sini ada kata verb. I jadi subjek, am late jadinya verb. Ya, they haven't. I think this is other example ya. Okay, continue. Ya, this is the signal word to show effect. This is the meaning ya, as a result bisa sebagai akibat. Hence, oleh karena itu, for this reason, untuk alasan ini, so, jadi, consequently, karena itu, finally, akhirnya, therefore, oleh karena itu. Ya, memang ini harus dihafal ya, dan dipahami. Oke, signal word to show cause. Ya, tadi in effect ya. Kalau cause itu berarti sebab, ada kata due to, disebabkan oleh, because of, karena, owing to, karena, and thanks to, atau berkat. Dan kata ini selalu diikuti oleh noun phrase. Ya, because of plus noun phrase, due to or noun phrase. Oke, noun phrase itu apa? Kata benda yang terdiri atas lebih dari satu kata benda, namun menjelaskan bentuk satu kata benda, seperti big house, a really nice car, book of secret, and etc. Oke, this is signal word to show cause. Because, karena, since, karena or sejak, as, karena, as a result of, sebagai akibat dari. Oke, this is our focus today. To differentiate between because and because of. Kalau because is add subject and add plus verb ya. Jadi karena itu because ditambah subject ditambah verb. See the example. I couldn't arrive on time because I had missed the train. See after because. Ada kata I, subject, had missed the train. Verb. Ya, saya tidak bisa sampai tepat waktu karena saya ketinggalan kereta. And the next example. She didn't pass the test because she hadn't studied well. Oke, see the after because. Pasti katanya subject, she, and verbnya hadn't studied well. Oke, seperti dengan pola. Next, because bisa di tengah, bisa juga for the first, di awal. Because it was raining, we couldn't arrive on time. See after because. It, subject, was raining, verb. Ya. And we continue to because of. Hanya beda ada kata of di sini. But it's different using in function. Because of, add noun or noun phrase. This is the example. We cancel the trip because of bad weather. See, kita menunda perjalanan dikarenakan bad weather. Oke, setelah kata because of ada kata noun di sini, noun phrase. Bad weather, cuaca yang buruk. Oke, dia tidak ada subjek maupun verb, langsung ke noun phrase. Ini adalah because of. Next example. She passed the test because of her teacher. Dia lulus ujian dikarenakan gurunya. Her teachers is called noun phrase. Ya, there is no subject or verb. And the last example is we got into trouble because of you. Ya, you di sini adalah dianggap kata benda. Kita mendapatkan masalah dikarenakan kamu. Okay, how about you? Can you get understand about this? Differentiate between because plus subject plus verb and because of plus noun. And to make the other example, I want to challenge you to complete the practice deck. Okay, we can read together. I need some water. Blank blank blank. I am thirsty. Saya butuh air. Titik-titik. Saya haus. So what is the correct answer? As a result, hence, because, or because of. Cara mengetahuinya adalah lihat kata setelah di sini. I am thirsty. Ada subjek, ada thirsty. Berarti di sini subject and verb ya. Berarti pakai because. See. Oke, jawabannya adalah because ya. Next. Oh ya, see, because. Jadi setelah because ada subject, ada verb. Continue deh. Okay, see. I can't come to school. Blank blank blank. Sick. Oke, kita tahu ada kata sick di sini. Sakit, ya. Ini bisa kita anggap jadi kata benda. Oke, apa tadi yang kata benda? Apakah since, as, because of, or because? What is your answer? Oke, good job. The answer is because of. Karena ini kata benda. Ya. Oke, well, that's all for today. I hope from this video you can really understanding about the lesson of cause effect, especially about because and because of. And next meeting we will continue about due to and thanks to. Thank you for watching. See you and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks.